And you can see all of the activity that is happening across the United States this evening. The rain and the moisture that is hugging along the west coast and moving into parts of Canada, eventually expected to dump that moisture over us here in West Michigan. This is the remnants of Hurricane Hillary that is going to provide us the chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms leading into your Wednesday and Thursday. But as we take a closer look, you can see that we do have some rain already falling in Cadillac and Traverse City. Dry in West Michigan for now, but we have an active midweek ahead of us. Thunderstorms will be possible early Wednesday morning, some of which could be on the strong to severe side. A couple more pop-up thunderstorms will be possible on Thursday. Again, a severe weather potential. But for both Wednesday and Thursday, here comes the heat. Heat index values, or feels like temperatures, could be over 100 degrees. So breaking down that hour by hour. Dry for tonight before thunderstorms develop shortly after 5 a.m. near Muskegon and Big Rapids. Over I-96 near Grand Rapids and Holland around 7:30 in the morning. So this is going to be occurring during our Wednesday morning commute. And then eventually closer towards I-94 shortly after 8 a.m. This is likely to also produce some heavier downpours where we could pick up over an inch of rainfall just from this one passing line of thunderstorms. Drier conditions will be here by Wednesday, and that is when the heat will return. And that's mainly going to be in the late afternoon and evening. But we do fall under a severe weather potential on Wednesday. A marginal risk of severe weather, which is the lowest level category of severe outlooks, most of which is going to be lining up along and towards the east of US 131. Now, our greatest two potentials for severe weather will be our wind threat with wind gusts over 58 miles per hour. The same story, the same threat when it comes to hail over an inch in diameter, mainly along and towards the east of US 131. But there is also a very, very low level risk of a spin up or an isolated tornado on Wednesday. A 2% risk, which again is our lowest level category, but it's also not zero. As for tonight, temperatures will be falling back to the 60s. A pretty mild and comfortable night with cloud cover on the increase. An overnight low of 65 degrees in Grand Rapids and Kalamazoo. Throughout the day on Wednesday, waking up hearing those rumbles of thunder, scattered showers and thunderstorms, needing the rain jacket as you step outside. But by the afternoon and evening, you'll absolutely want to shed it. The heat and humidity will be here. In fact, our heat index values could be over 100 degrees. Our actual high temperature for Wednesday will be 90 degrees in Grand Rapids, 93 in Kalamazoo. Thankfully, a little bit cooler along the lakeshore, but let's get a look at these heat index values. By 6 p.m. on Wednesday, we could have a feels like temperature of 107 in Grand Rapids, and yet another hot, stormy, and steamy Thursday with another day seeing afternoon feels like temperatures over 100 degrees. Because of this, we do fall under a heat advisory on Wednesday and an excessive heat watch on Thursday. So back-to-back hot days where you're going to want to stay hydrated, and do not forget about those pets. Our humidity is likely to be in the oppressive zone, so stepping outside, it's borderline going to feel like a sauna. As for those winds, thankfully, they will be slightly helpful. A good breeze from the south and southwest throughout the day on Wednesday, generating higher wave heights in Lake Michigan, potentially up to 6 feet in the late afternoon and evening. As for the chance of precipitation, it is mainly going to be the greatest for tomorrow morning, but a couple more chances of pop-up showers and thunderstorms will be here on Thursday, Friday, and on Saturday. So as we take a look at our Super 7 day, a high temperature of 90 degrees on Wednesday, morning showers and thunderstorms. It will be hot and humid. By Thursday, we have another potential of strong to severe weather. However, it's mainly going to be along and towards the south of I-96. Now, as for Friday, temperatures will finally be a little bit more comfortable, a high of 85, so still hot and slightly humid, dipping back to the mid to upper 70s for this upcoming Saturday and Sunday. So the AC will get a break by this weekend, perfect to spend outside, and overnight lows back in the 50s. Stay tuned with Fox 17 for your latest forecast.